suffering from Tsem Rinpoche. He's from Malaysia. We are coming on behalf of Kyabje House and also Kyabje Media and Publications from the Zong Chocktrul Rinpoche on behalf of the. So, in this tradition, Kyabje House is aiming to promote our country's tradition in Malaysia and Singapore, so it's doing quite well. Last year we have our first Chinese book. It's actually on Tsem Rinpoche. And actually we're quite fortunate to have endorsement of our country report. Is that?
Is it in Chinese?
It is in Chinese. So we also have, so we went to France and very briefly with the blessings of the Guru, and Ken Rinpoche also, current emperor of Malaysia, also endorsed his book. So people believe in it because the validity is there. And we also published another book based on the 8 verses of thought transformation. Rinpoche gave a commentary on that, and so we compile it and make it into actually,
His health is good?
his health is very good these days. Having said that, in September, he has been quite sick, quite ill for 2 to 3 weeks. His internal organs wasn't working quite well. Of course, it's the collective karma that we created for that as well. And there's quite a bit of obstacles in terms of fundraising for the retreat center, for Kyabje House activities, because we are expanding quite fast. Last year we started with 7 chanzos, and this year we have 16. So it has doubled because we have many new developments in terms of new departments. So under Kyabje House, which is our Dharma center, we have Kyabje Media and Publications, which help to promote Lao Dharma's teachings, the Gaden tradition. And then following that, we have another branch, which is 4 outlets, shops that sell Buddha statues, Dharma scriptures, and also all kinds of items, ritual items. So that is, it's a modern temple according to Rinpoche. So it brings people in through Kyabje House, through shops all over the place in Kuala Lumpur. So it's doing quite well. We managed to bring a lot of members into the Dharma, Kyabje House, through all these 4 outlets. And we also have a new department, which is Kyabje Saraswati Arts. So that is a very unique department. In that department, we actually make statues. We paint our statues, so we don't have to always go to Nepal and buy statues. We have our own in-house people, and that's a growing department with many young people, because they are drawn to Dharma through arts. So that's another idea created by Rinpoche.
These arts, are they traditional or?
Yes, we have mainly traditional ones. Yes, because usually we have to supply a lot of statues through Nepal. We have our own people have to fly there. In fact, the first few trips, Rinpoche personally went there, because Tsem Rinpoche is very concerned about the correct iconography of the statues. He said if it's wrongly displayed, then the benefits will not be full. That's what he always said. So the first few trips he went there. After that, we went there on our own and buy. But eventually, Rinpoche realized for future, for long term, we need to groom our own Thangka painters, statue makers, and so on. So we actually source locally, so we can give more statues to people faster this way. So we actually have this new Saraswati Arts Department. And also, recently we have a new, Kyabje Soup Kitchen. So we actually, Rinpoche, previously in Gaden, he has been known to do a lot of charity work, sponsor sanghas, give food to the poor people in various camps. So in this case, his wish continued to Malaysia. So he set up a department. Every weekend, we have a group of volunteers dedicated to giving food, charity work in Kuala Lumpur. So it's many different ways for Dharma to grow and bring people to, develop a kind heart. So that's his wish. So different people join different departments. It's very nice. And recently, it's very good news. We have just, with the blessing of the protector, we have managed to acquire a 30-acre land for our retreat center, in which he wants to build a large retreat center, Dharma retreat center, in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where people can go there and do retreats and meditations, and also just relax and learn Dharma. So in future, we hope to invite even high lamas all over the world to go there and teach and turn the wheel of the Dharma. So that's his wish, and he actually manifested very fast. So we are very happy. The name of the retreat center is called Tsem Rinpoche. So that is our, because Rinpoche doesn't give initiation these days. He's very meticulous. According to Zong Chocktrul, he doesn't just give commitment to people who they cannot keep in terms of tantric commitment. So he's very careful with that. But he always wants to bring people to Vajragiri's heaven. So he said there's only one according to him, the most important initiation in this degenerate age is Vajragiri. So he said if we follow him, the guidance, have clean samaya, eventually he will confer the holy Vajragiri initiation. So he would like to do that in the retreat center. So in the retreat center, we will have big Lama Tsongkhapa statue, a Vajragiri statue, and a Zambala, because that's the predominant practice that people are drawn towards. So we also have books on Zambala practice. So many things are happening since last year. Within these 2 years, we have grown from 7 to 16 liaisons. And so in future, we'll come to Gaden very often. And we always keep a close tie with Gaden Monastery, Gaden Shartse, because there seems to be quite a bit of obstacles as we expand. So we are very grateful. We always arrange pujas to be done through Gaden Shartse. So in this case, for me this time, we came as a group to request forwards, but also to arrange for pujas. And the latest good news is we raised 290 ringgit, 1,000 ringgits, which is about $80,000 for the committee, for the hospital here. We have a Gaden Shartse hospital committee raising funds in Malaysia. So we just offered this morning the medicine Buddha puja. So that was very rejoicing news. So many things we did it this time. Of course, we have many new people coming. Last year, Gaden Tree, she was present. Jenny, she was the drum assistant also, in Tsem the drum. And we have Jamie, who's also an English writer. Both of them are English writers.
I think most of you have come here.
Actually, not for them, not for these two.
Right.
Yes, I came here before.
Yes.
But this is my second time. Also very precious. So that's a Chinese writer. She wrote a very good article on Satrap, because we have a very nice Satrap chapel in our center, Kachara House, and she came in as a reporter. So she wrote on Satrap and wrote it into major newspaper press, magazines, and it brings a lot of people to the attention of Satrap. And then now she's a full-time writer in Kachara Media Publications. So she actually requested for forwards from the ex-abbot of Gaden regarding a Chinese Satrap book. So that would be the first Satrap book in the market actually. So she's working on that very dedicated. And that's Miss Shi. She helps with the marketing of our books all over the world. So with Singapore, Malaysia, and now into Indonesia, we hope to get our books into China and Taiwan, and she will play a very dominant role in that. So this is our publication group. Yes. So we purposely made this trip here to fulfill many of our wishes, to sponsor offerings, of course to request for the high forwards from the high lamas. Yes. So this is our purpose here. I think I spoke too much. So sorry.
I'm so sorry for the change of time.
No,
first I said 3 o'clock. I didn't have 3.
You have appointment.
I just yes.
Oh,
I have to go to down there, not there. I had appointment to give up.
I see.
3.
Okay.
I'm so sorry for the change of time at such a short notice.
No, I think we also came in a very short time as well.
And plus it rained.
Oh, yeah. We were running from Phukan Kanzing.
I'm so sorry for
no
that.
problem. Is it okay I show you the forwards? One of the forward that we would like to get your endorsement. What happened is we are coming up with a book which is on also transcripts of Rinpoche's teachings.
Can I tell you what? Can you leave it with Tenzin? No? Okay. Tenzin. He is my Chanzi.
Okay.
And you can just leave all the papers with him.
Oh, okay.
And then I come back, I will just look at them. Is that okay?
Okay. Sure.
Because I just have, I think,
you have to go already.
4 minutes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So I pass to Tenzin one trip?
Yes.
Okay. And then he will nice.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Yes.
Anything you want to say?
Mixema.
Yes.
Is this like an Orthodox mission?
Oh no. Just chanting.
What do you mean chanting?
We just want to get a record into a CD.
Yes.
So internally we can listen. It's not a transmission. It's more like
just for blessing.
Blessing only.
Oh, but I'm not very good with chanting.
Can you just recite it?
And this is like this is going to be for some public?
No, it's for internal blessing for our own members to listen. Yes, okay, that'll be okay?
Right.
Thanks.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
And this is not for commercial use, right?
No.
Just inside the center.
Yes. We just use because our people want to listen to High Lamas from Gaden with the chant. So that's all. We actually got it from Kyabje Zong Chocktrul, the abbot as well. So
Right.
it's more content.
So if there are any papers, just leave it with Tenzin.
Okay, so I just pass it to the chant.
Okay.
Okay. So sorry for the last minute arrangement.